I had a gift card for Costco burning a hole in my pocket. I got it for Christmas and I went to Costco to go spend it and I just went for one plant and oh my gosh, I wasn't ready for what they had. It's like springtime at Costco. It seems like it was just Christmas, but we're ready for spring. At least when you walk in the door at Costco, they have bare root fruit trees and bare root, all kinds of plants. Just amazing assortment. And when I went through, I wasn't ready for all of the different assortment of options to use my gift card on. Oh my gosh, look at all these beauties.
Oh, there's a cherry.
Coral cherry.
It definitely was on my list to get earthworm castings because I use this in the soil to amend the soil in the garden and the plants really love it. So I stocked up on this because it's a really good deal and you get a lot. And the soil, my daughter needed soil. She got some bags of soil. Good deal there too. And I was really tempted by all of the offerings as far as the fruit trees because there is a lot there. And there was actually one that had a blossom on it. How sweet is that? My original intent was to get some earthworm castings. And as you saw, I got those, but I wasn't prepared for there to be such a selection of plants already for the spring. And so I had a good look at all of those. And I was hoping when I went, before I stepped in the door, that they would have some clematis because I really want to add more climbing, blooming plants to my garden. And I was looking for the resin pots that I got last year this time at Costco. And they really held up good and they're huge. They didn't have the ones that I have, and so I'm going to hold out and go to a different Costco and see if I can find the same ones. They were really huge pots, and they hold a lot of soil, and the roots can dig in there and grow. They're perfect, so I definitely want to go back to another Costco, and I have some money left on my gift card to do that. But look at all these beauties. These are great for the patio. And there's some here that you have options of buying different kinds of plants in each mix. And you can plant them all in one container, and that is really going to be a showy piece for your garden. My eye kept going back to these tulips. There's so many different colors available, and there's so many different bulbs squished all in one pot, and it's going to be a beautiful, beautiful, colorful display when they open up, and that would be exciting. So I looked at these a couple times. In the end, I didn't get any because I did plant some tulip bulbs, but these would be great centerpiece for a dining room table or out on the patio or even taking to work for your office waiting room or your desk. And at $17.99, look, all the work has been done for you. The soil's there, the bulbs are all planted, they're already growing. What a great deal. Perfect. They're just beautiful. And if I was looking for a privacy screen, this Nandina would be beautiful. It has some really red tinged leaves and just really pretty. It grows really tall, and if you put several in a row, you've got yourself a hedge there. So that would be a sweet deal if I was looking to put in a privacy row of hedge plants.
Really pretty color.
And hey, maybe someday I'll get myself a gorilla cart. This is actually not a bad deal. If you look at it, $250, and it lasts a long time. Those gorilla carts are really worth the money. And for $16.99, they had 2 plants in one pack. They had bare root lilacs, and these are really beautiful plants. They only had 1 left at this store. And they also had hydrangeas. So, yeah, that was tempting to me as well, but I did not go for that right now. I might come back though, because that is a good deal, and if they had more lilacs, I might get one. Now this is the area that I really wanted to look through to find the clematis, because I love this section with the bare root plants and the bulbs. You get quite a few in the packs, and sometimes you can find one that has about 3 different types of plants in a pack, and those are really neat. Like these are perfect for a container. It has several plants in one pack, and you can really create a beautiful container for your garden or your patio, and it's going to be a knockout. Look at all those. So beautiful. So many options here. It's almost springtime. I can feel it in the air. Alliums are a favorite of mine, and so I was really looking these over, and in the end, I decided to get a pack of these too. Even though I did buy some alliums and planted them already, and more alliums is never going to be a bad thing in my garden. And I like it because it brings the bees in. The bees love the alliums, and here it goes. I found what I came for, the clematis, but I have the purple. This is the one I wanted to find, and look at that, some white and burgundy. How beautiful is that going to be? I'm really excited about this. And then I found some phlox too. That's going to be really pretty in the middle section of the garden with all the flowers blooming. And this is stilby. I've never grown a stilby before, but this is my shot. And so I'm going to try for a stilby. This will be a first time plant for me in my garden. Unfortunately, I don't have a big enough gift card amount to get any patio furniture, but if I did, oh my gosh, I love going to Costco and looking at their patio furniture, their garden furniture, and they have a lot of options right now. A lot of patio furniture
Really
with
like this
umbrellas,
bench.
and look at this bench. I fell in love with it. It's so simple, but so beautiful, and it would be a great addition to another room in my
Chair for
garden.
170.
They're also carrying lots of things that you would need for your garden,
$14.99
like gloves. You always need gloves. I did look at them, and these are good quality
for
gloves, but
two
I didn't
pair.
get any because my aunt blessed me with a whole set of gloves for Christmas. Thank you, Aunt Joanne. But look at, they have Fiskars, and these are great products. These are really good for your garden, for working in the garden. And I have a pair, and they work really well, and they last a long time if you keep them clean and in good shape.
$47.99.
Okay, and I had to have one last look at the fruit trees. They have lemon and lime trees, full trees, and then they have the bare root fruit trees. And they said nut trees. I didn't see any nuts in there, but I was there, so I guess there was a nut there. I was really looking through to see if they had any olive trees because that is something that I'm interested in, planting some olive trees down on the hillside. But they didn't have any, so I decided at this point in time I'm not going to plant any fruit trees. But it is on the list to do for the garden in the future because I love the blossoms on fruit trees. I think they're beautiful. And these azaleas were just gorgeous. I was tempted with these, but I know that my soil is not acidic enough to make these plants happy. But if you have acidic soil, this plant would be perfect for your garden. They're really beautiful, prolific bloomers, and really get large, and you're going to really enjoy color from these plants for many years to come. And what a great deal on these storage containers. They're really big for $7.99. Now the black ones you could use for root vegetables like potatoes or garlic and spring onions. And the yellow ones would be perfect for vermiculture. I'm not sure that I would use the dark ones for worm bins, but the light colored ones would be great. So good options there for storage containers in the garden. And this self-watering cedar planter would be great for those of you who don't have a big area to grow fruit or veg. You could use this, especially for veg or for an herb garden. This would be perfect for a small patio, even apartment patio if you have good lighting. So this was a great option. So here's another good look at the patio furniture that they have. They have a lot more than this that you saw earlier. And I just always love to look at this and just envision how it could be in a garden on a patio. Wow. And then my daughter treated us to some Costco pizza. Yum, yum. What a great trip. And I feel like I got so much for my $150 gift card. And I have some money left to go find something else in the future. So, hey, thanks, Costco. It was a lot of fun.